Abominable, meaning something that is extremely unpleasant, horrible, or morally offensive. Definition: abominable is an adjective used to describe something that causes strong dislike or disgust. It can refer to actions, behaviors, or conditions that are considered extremely unpleasant or morally wrong. Examples and sentences. 1. The abominable conditions in the prison shocked everyone. No one could believe how bad it was inside. Here, abominable describes the terrible, inhumane conditions in the prison. 2. His abominable behavior toward others made him unpopular. People were disgusted by his rude and offensive actions. In this case, abominable refers to behavior that is morally wrong and unpleasant. Usage: abominable is often used to describe things or actions that are morally wrong, offensive, or cause strong negative reactions. It is a strong term, usually used to express severe disapproval.
English practice.